Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to mute notifications on Snapchat. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the application and then tap on the message icon at the bottom corner of your screen. Okay, and then from here, just choose a user that you don't want to receive a notification message to. So for example, this user here. So just press and hold that user and then tap on the chat settings. Okay, that's right. And then turn off this switch in order to avoid receiving notification from this user. Okay, so just do the same thing to other user if you don't want to receive any message notification from them. Now the second option is to tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen and then tap on the gear icon. Then tap on the notifications from there. And here you can choose what kind of notifications that you don't want to receive on Snapchat. Okay, for example, this kind of notifications. So it's up to you. Okay, you can just do the things that you want here. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.